So to get to this solenoid, it has 4 10mm bolts. You need to remove, well, partially remove the air box. You need to remove the battery tray, and you're able to get it down in there. Still hard, tight spot, but it's easy. And this is the dual linear solenoid. People are like, oh yeah, you gotta remove this. No, you fucking don't gotta remove this. Straight up. See these bolts right here? Don't worry about this. Explain this one later. 6 of them. Once the 6 are out, pull up. You don't gotta remove this. It's debunked. Don't fuck up your mount. And then with the tray, you have these 2 hard to reach, tight little fuckers in here, and they're still tight. And then you get all battle scarred up. So, step 1, air box, and 2, battery and battery tray. Bam. And by the way, your other solenoids are right there. So you're able to stick a wrench in here. And I think that's a 10. Yeah, that's a 10. Move it, pull it up, bam. Let's go through here. Stick a wrench, up, disconnect, ready to go. And then here you go. Easy to access, starter. 1 bolt is up there, the bottom one, I'm feeling on it, it's right down here. Disconnect, bam. Ready for service.